Today our topic is orientation in monosubstituted benzene. Before going to explain the orientation, you must understand 3 points. Number 1, monosubstituted benzene. Number 2, numbering in the ring. Number 3, orthopara meta positions. Number 1, monosubstituted benzene. Monosubstituted benzene are those compounds which contain only one substituted group in the benzene ring. The general formula is C6H5G. Second, numbering. There are 6 positions in the ring. The numbering always starts from the carbon atom bonded with group G. Number 3, positions. 2 and 6 positions which are adjacent positions to the position number 1 are known as ortho positions. Number 4, opposite to the first position known as para. 3 and 5 which are middle positions of ortho and para known as meta. They are symbolized as O for ortho, P for para, M for meta positions as shown in monosubstituted benzene. Both ortho positions, these are both meta positions, and this one is para position. When group G bonded with any other carbon atom, then these positions, then how you can assign the positions in the ring, like you can see in this structure. These both are ortho positions because they are adjacent position to the one. This is para position because it is opposite position to the one. These both are meta positions because they are middle positions of ortho and para. Now you can explain the orientation. In introduction, you can say that orientation is the effect of group G. Group G has two effects. Number 1, reactivity effect. Number 2, directive effect. Due to reactivity effect, group G increases or decreases the reactivity of the ring than benzene molecule. Number 2, directive effect. Due to directive effect, group G directs the second incoming group toward ortho para meta positions. This directive effect is known as orientation. Now, to explain the orientation, two reactions are given. In the first reaction, nitration of toluene gives ortho and para product. In this reaction, CH3 group decides the position of NO2 at ortho and para, or you can say that CH3 group directs the second incoming group toward ortho positions. In the second reaction, COOH group decide the position of NO2 at meta, or you can say that COOH group directs the second incoming group NO2 at meta position. So this effect of CH3 COOH to direct NO2 group at orthopara meta position is known as directive effect. Generally, you can say that group G present in the benzene ring directs the second incoming group toward orthopara meta positions. This effect is known as directive effect of group G, or it is known as orientation. Now you can define the orientation. The effect of group G already present in the benzene ring to direct the second incoming group toward orthopara meta positions is known as orientation. Second, group G directs the second incoming group at particular position. As you see in these both reactions, CH3 group directs NO2 group only at ortho and para positions. COOH group directs NO2 only at meta position. So on the basis of orientation, all the G groups are classified into two classes: orthopara director groups and meta director groups. Orthopara director groups are those groups which directs the second incoming group toward ortho and para positions. The examples of orthopara director groups are activating groups and halogens. halogens and activating groups directs the second incoming group only toward ortho and para positions. Number 2, meta directors. Meta directors are those groups which directs the second incoming group toward meta positions. The example of meta director groups are deactivating groups except halogen. So deactivating groups directs the second incoming group toward meta position. Now one question, that why activating group and halogen directs the second incoming group toward ortho and para position, and why deactivating group except halogen directs the second incoming group toward meta position. In the answer you can say that activating groups and halogen activates the ortho and para position. Means you can say that ortho and para positions are more reactive due to the action of activating group and halogen. In this ring you can say that deactivating group, due to the deactivating group, meta position becomes more active. Why in this ring orthopara positions are more reactive, and why in this ring meta position is more reactive? These positions are active decided from the resonance structures of carbocations which are formed by the attack of second incoming group at ortho and para positions. So that is why from the carbocations we decide the active positions, that in presence of activating group and halogens, ortho and para positions are more active. In the presence of deactivating groups, meta positions are more active. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.